Our eddy current separator is about to be shipped. Before shipping, we conducted a factory test with the materials specified by the customer. Let's see how it performs. We mixed aluminum window scraps, aluminum cans, PET bottles, and other materials together. The mixture was fed into the eddy current separator. And as you can clearly see at the material separation stage, aluminum is propelled upwards, landing on the right side of the splitter. Meanwhile, non-metallic materials like plastic and waste paper are directed to the left side. Now, let's take a look at the results. Here is the separated aluminum material, and here are the non-metallic materials.